The Peloton Indoor Exercise Bike, available in both the original Peloton Bike and the Enhanced Bike Plus versions, offers an immersive and high-quality home workout experience that has transformed the way users approach fitness. From the moment you unbox this sleek piece of equipment, it's evident that Peloton has invested heavily in both design and functionality to deliver a product that is more than just a stationary bike. It's a comprehensive training system. Priced at $2,495, this bike is built with a stable construction that provides a reliable platform for high-intensity workouts while doubling as an elegant centerpiece for your home gym. One of the most enticing aspects of the Peloton experience is its integration with the Peloton All Access membership. For an additional fee of $44 per month for your entire household, members gain unlimited access to a vast library of live and on-demand classes that range from high-energy cycling sessions to strength training, yoga, and even meditation. This membership truly enhances the value of the bike by ensuring that users are never short of new and engaging content to keep them motivated. Whether you are a seasoned athlete or a beginner looking to embark on a fitness journey, the extensive catalog of classes means you can always find a workout that suits your mood and goals. The design of the Peloton bike is a perfect blend of innovation and practicality. It features a 23.8-inch anti-glare HD touchscreen that rotates 360 degrees for seamless transition between cycling and off-bike workouts. This rotating touchscreen not only elevates the interactive experience, but also allows users to move effortlessly from cycling to floor exercises, providing a versatile workout station all in one. The bike's intuitive on-screen controls make it easy to adjust settings, monitor real-time metrics such as cadence, resistance, speed, and output, and even switch between auto-resistance mode and manual adjustments. The auto-resistance feature is particularly impressive as it automatically adapts to the instructor's callouts, ensuring that your workout intensity matches the prescribed routine without any extra effort on your part. The immersive experience is further enhanced by the studio-quality sound system that comes with both front and rear-facing speakers. This audio setup ensures that every beat of your favorite playlist or the motivating voice of your instructor is delivered with crystal clear quality. In addition to fitness classes, Peloton Entertainment now offers streaming of TV shows, movies, and even live sports, allowing users to enjoy a broad range of content during their cool-down or rest periods. This multifunctional capability makes the bike a central hub for both physical training and entertainment, catering to a wide range of preferences. Comfort is a major consideration in the Peloton design. The bike features an adjustable seat and handlebars to accommodate various body types, ensuring that everyone can find a comfortable riding position. The smooth and quiet resistance system mimics the feel of outdoor cycling, providing a realistic riding experience without the distractions of noise or instability. This attention to ergonomic detail means that users can engage in long sessions without experiencing discomfort or fatigue. Additionally, the ability to customize workouts through features like stacked classes allows you to easily combine warm-ups, stretching, and high-intensity intervals into one seamless session. For those who enjoy tracking their progress, the Peloton bike offers detailed performance metrics and even connects with heart rate monitors and smartwatches, ensuring that every ride is both measurable and meaningful. Customer feedback for the Peloton Indoor Exercise Bike has been overwhelmingly positive. Users consistently praise the bike's well-made, stable construction and the intuitive, user-friendly interface. Many highlight the motivating atmosphere created by the live classes and the vibrant, engaging community that comes with the Peloton ecosystem. Some users mention that the bike's small footprint makes it ideal for home use, as it easily fits into a variety of living spaces without feeling obtrusive. The quality of the display and the precision in tracking workout metrics are frequently noted as standout features, helping users to monitor their progress and set new personal bests. That said, there are mixed opinions regarding the value for money and some aspects of functionality. While many appreciate the comprehensive and engaging experience offered by the bike, a few customers feel that the recurring membership fee can be a deterrent, especially if they are primarily interested in the cycling component rather than the full suite of multimedia features. Assembly is generally considered straightforward, though a few reviews mention that initial setup can be a bit time-consuming and might benefit from more detailed instructions or video guides. Overall, The Peloton indoor exercise bike represents a significant investment in both health and lifestyle. It combines advanced technology, a wide range of interactive features, and robust build quality to deliver a fitness experience that rivals that of a high-end commercial gym. Whether you're looking to cancel your gym membership, enjoy a competitive and social workout environment at home, or simply enhance your training routine with a mix of exercise and entertainment, Peloton offers a compelling solution that is hard to beat. So, if you're ready to revolutionize your home workout routine and invest in a fitness solution that brings together community, technology, and top-tier performance, the Peloton bike might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Check the video description for an additional discount and subscribe for more motivational updates.